Okay, so what I have with me here today is the Purell Instant Hand Sanitizer that kills 99.99% of germs. It moisturizes and it has vitamin E, and it says it leaves hands feeling soft and refreshed. It is the 8 fluid ounce bottle and the scent is Spring Bloom. This is just what it looks like. There, the purpose, active ingredient. So, what I first want to start out by saying with this product is that it smells really nice. I know a lot of hand sanitizers can be very strong and they all smell very similar, and some people have a hard time like coping with the smell of hand sanitizer, even though they like need to put it on if they went like to do, I don't know, just anything to that makes your hands like dirtier, and that you just want to put some hand sanitizer on for, like if you're in a classroom and you're about to have like food or something like that, and just a quick like wash of the hands would be like some hand sanitizer. And this could be something that you use. The smell of this smells so good. It's like a spring bloom, and it still smells like hand sanitizer, don't get me wrong, but it is not like the typical hand sanitizer smell, if you understand what I mean. It smells more of like a floral type hand sanitizer, and I really like that because I know I was in class with a lot of like my peers and things like that, and they were like, oh, I'm just gonna walk all the way down the hall to the bathroom to wash my hands because I cannot stand the smell of hand sanitizer. And I was like, wow, that's kind of, it sucks, because you shouldn't have to like walk all the way somewhere just to go do something, and there's a simple solution right there. But if it's not something that you like, then obviously you're not going to use it and stuff like that. So I just felt bad in that sense. So I then bought this hand sanitizer for my teacher for his class, and I was like, hey guys, I bought this new one. If you guys like it, like, that'll be awesome, because then when we do things, you don't have to walk all the way down the hallway to just wash your hands if we're going out to eat or something like that, or like they're bringing food for us. And they started using it, and a couple of them, obviously you can't please everyone, but most of them, they were like, oh my gosh, this smells great. I am literally gonna go buy this for my house, because it's a quick solution. Like I said, it's a quick solution just to go buy and use some hand sanitizer versus always having to go wash your hands. And they really liked this. They're like, it still smells like hand sanitizer, but it's not like the overwhelming hand sanitizer smell. They were like, it smells flowery and stuff. And they were like, where did you get this? And I was like, yeah, I just bought it from the store. And they were like, oh my gosh, well, do you think you can tell us where? And I was like, yeah. So I told them where I got it from, and they were happy, and they went to go buy one. At least some of them went to go buy some. But yeah, I just really like this. It's a fairly small bottle. What I do if I'm usually traveling with things with like a little pump head like that, I'll just push it all the way down and twist it like how it was before I untwisted it to open it. If you can see there, that's where it was twisted. So when you like open it to like actually use it and like to make it like come out, that's what I just do to like close it if I'm traveling somewhere. And I would usually do it like if I needed some hand sanitizer, and it would just come out that way. So then I'm like, killing two birds with one stone, and just to make it come out that way. So after I'm done, pushing it down and twisting it just to make sure nothing comes out while it's in a bag or something somewhere. If you don't want to do that, you can just honestly put it in a bag and tie the bag up so to make sure none of it comes out. But if it does come out on something, like in the bag, anything like that. It's not that big of a deal. It washes out pretty easily. It doesn't stain anything if it was to get on like some clothes or something, so that's nice about it. Anyone can use it. I've let my little siblings use this. I've let my older family members use this, and they all seem to really pretty much like this. I think the color is really cute. It's like a little light pink color. It came just like this, and it was very inexpensive. You know, a lot of name brand products can be more on the expensive side, and this was not as expensive as I thought it would be, because you know, a lot of products, like I said, a lot of products that are name brand can be very expensive. So I just like how this one was pretty decently cheap, especially for hand sanitizer. And I mean, yeah, it's not like a super small bottle, but it's a smaller bottle. But I've had this for a very long time, and I've even used this to like clean surfaces and stuff like that. You know, I've used this to clean like my desk or something, or just anything, because you know, it kills germs, and it's just a germ killer. Like, it kills bacteria and stuff like that. So I just use this to clean like surfaces, and it doesn't harm the surfaces. So I just use this to clean simple things, to clean my hands and things like that. And it's honestly such a great thing. Like, I really like this product. I probably never go back to regular hand sanitizer just because it still smells like it, and it works just as well, but it smells better, you know, like it's just a great product overall. So again, this is just the Purell instant hand sanitizer.